My name is Naveed Ahmad Khan. From the day I joined the webinar, I am become a big fan of Vishal Saini sir. He has motivated us all through his live sessions, his training packages, his course material. Fantastic. I have learned what to eat, what not to eat, how to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat. Believe me, I have changed myself for these eating habits. And power breathing sessions and mindfulness sessions, which are the weekly sessions, are so fantastic that it is full of life. I love to attend these every week and I'll be waiting for it. And the blueprints that he has provided for us in the course material are amazing. It will not let us deviate from our protocols. It will keep us in track. We have to follow it exactly like it has been said. So fantastic. Though I am not sick, I am following it because I want to be future ready for any pandemics that can come in the future. So that's one thing that I am into naturopathy. I have read many books. I have been mentored by many coaches as well, but Vishal Saini is one of them. He is young but energetic and with full of knowledge. His experience is enormous. He's fantastic. Okay, today we have learnt about the 50 mistakes that we usually do, and believe me, it has so nicely portrayed that it can open anybody's mind. So fantastic, very nice. The journey with Mr. Vishal Saini and Go Nature's team is excellent. I have been into all the live sessions. I have taken his courses. I am following Go Nature Academy as it has to be. Believe me, it's so amazing journey. And thanks to the Vishal Saini team, the Go Nature team, and Mr. Vishal Saini as such. So it's been wonderful. Thank you, sir, for guiding us, for putting all your effort into teaching, into preparing all these course materials. They are so simple and so effective. Thank you so much. May God bless you and bless us all too.